Hey YouTube family, it's Carolyn Arlano, your cleaning business mentor. And in today's YouTube video, I am going to have two very special guests in this video. And we're going to be talking about how to land more commercial cleaning clients and help you grow your commercial cleaning business. So be sure to stick around for the entire video. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carolyn Arellano and I have two very special guests here. We have Dave and Stan, who I'm going to let give themselves a quick introduction. But if you guys are new to my channel, I have been in the cleaning industry for a little bit over 6 years, and the last 2 years I have been focusing on helping people grow their cleaning businesses, whether that's residential cleaning or commercial cleaning.
Hey everyone, it's Dave Camenga, the president and CEO at Dave's Cleaning Consultants here in Cockeysville, Maryland. Many of you know me from some of the videos that me and Carolyn have done. It's great to see you guys again.
Awesome. And Stan, can you please give my YouTube community a brief introduction about who you are, where you're located, how long ago you've got into the industry, and a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, my name is Stan. I have a residential and commercial cleaning company in the Chicagoland area, specifically Glen Ellen, Illinois. It's one of the suburbs. I've had the business running for almost 2 years now. And before this, I'm a registered nurse. So I do work here and there, but I've quit my job to focus on managing the company and keep it going. So, yeah,
That is awesome. And how long ago did you start your cleaning business?
almost 2 years. It'll be
So it's
like,
been two
yeah,
years.
yeah.
Awesome. Congratulations.
Thank
They
you.
say making it past that first year in business is a huge landmark because many people fail within that first year. So huge congratulations
Thank you.
on the success that you have, and we're really happy to have you on the video today. So today, you guys, we wanted to speak particularly on a marketing technique that Dave actually introduced, not just to me and my business, but to my entire YouTube community. So we do have a previous video all about the mailers that we will be speaking about, and I will put a link in the description of this video so you guys can go ahead and watch that full video. But Stan, can you talk to us a little bit about the new marketing technique, that you have tried and how you found out about this mailer technique?
Yeah, so getting right to it, Dave did tell me about this, and I'm so happy. I'm so glad I got an opportunity to even, meet Dave and have his time and tell me what I should do. I did a lot of other marketing techniques, which I'm still doing. I do Google LSA, I do Google paid pay-per-click ads, and word of mouth. I have my Google business profile optimized, so we do get calls from that. But specifically, the topic of mailers, which I did not, I was skeptical at first. I was like, this is not going to work. But you know what? I listened to someone much older in business than me, and let me just copy and paste what they're saying because I might be wrong. And I told my wife, and she was like, "Oh my God, you're gonna buy all this stuff and get all this stuff ready." I said, "Yeah, I'm gonna do this." And I sent the mailers, and I was like, "This is old school. Like, who would open my mail?" So I did it, and shockingly, in a week, I got two people who called me, and I was like, okay, they're gonna call me for a quote, and I might not land it. And I closed both of them. And one was a daycare who also made us do windows. Also, I subcontracted floors because I don't do floors, but I was like, I don't do it. I don't want to lie, but you know what? Let me get my other companies to win. Another company who called us was they had five, I think six locations for their company, and we are doing a cleaning a week for them. And they literally said, you know what? I was very happy to see the mail and someone hardworking and putting the effort. So I was like, wow, this already paid off the the money I put in, which well, I was very skeptical about. I was not, I was like, if it works, it works. I don't think it's gonna work. But I was shocked. I told Dave right away. I said, man, I can't believe.
That's
I'm really
amazing. I was
shocked.
so
I'm really
happy for you.
happy. Yeah. Same here.
I
Thank you,
know,
Dave.
congratulations. That's
Yeah.
amazing. So, you guys, he literally just went ahead and took Dave's method of doing the mailer system. If you don't mind, how much did you spend, printing and buying, the envelopes and stuff?
So if you break it down, I calculated the details. It's like a cent for an envelope. If you buy 100 set, it's like, whatever. It's paper. It's cheap. The most expensive item is going to be the stamp. and the
Yeah.
labor to write the mail. That's it. So if you don't have much money, this is the best to start out because 75 cents per stamp. If you send 100 or 200, okay, $200. But these are going into people's houses and they're going to open them compared to we are winging it. So I think this is more cheaper than Google LSA,
Oh,
Google Pay
100%.
per click ads, and I'm like, uh, I thought this is it's seriously so shocking that it's unbelievable. So
Right.
very
And I
very
want to add, it's so funny because so many people are like, the same thing, they're skeptical and stuff. And at the end of the day, you just have to try it. And I always tell people it's all about the amounts you're sending out. If you're only sending a small amount, you're not going to get a return. If you're sending
yep.
out several hundred, like how many, can you tell us how many you sent? And
I I sent okay. I know. See, you got to listen to your mentors. Okay, everyone who's listening, you cannot be like, oh, it's not making sense. It won't make sense to you, and it didn't make sense to me. He told me send 1,000 plus, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to send 2,000 because I have a little budget which I can trial on. So I started with 1,500. I got all of those, and I'm like, let me add more 500 businesses, which I have to figure out who to send to. I sent 2,000, and I'm still waiting on people because they have not opened it. Some have opened it and called us. So I did send 2,000 mailers, and I got two, which is still worth it. Even if
Oh,
right.
one
yeah.
closed, I got that
Even
sign.
if you
Yep.
get the one, if even if you have the one that has the 5 locations, or not
Yes.
even if you have
Yes.
the one with one location, like you said,
Exactly.
and it's, let's just say it's like a $200 a month client, like you've already paid off, and that's on the small end. But imagine, you getting all those different locations, exactly, what you said is true. The the client acquisition cost is much lower than an LSA ad, than some other marketing techniques that we're using. And like you said, you guys, you have to listen to your mentors, listen to people that have done things and it's already working. Dave has done many videos on this one technique alone that he has used to grow his cleaning business, and it works. It absolutely works. This is actually a great segue for us, the three of us, to invite you guys out to our 1 day in-person workshop that we are going to be having in Cockeysville, Maryland. Now, the date is going to be March the 16th, 2025. It is a Sunday, and we are just about 2 months up from this event. Now, this event we are having in Maryland because that is where Dave and his business is located, and we decided to put this together on the East Coast. This in-person 1 day seminar is going to be all about how to grow your commercial cleaning business. Of course, I will be there to answer any Q&A about residential, and we'll also be lightly speaking on that topic. But primarily, we're going to be talking about commercial cleaning, how to get clients, marketing techniques, back end operations, and more importantly, this is going to be an opportunity for you guys to network with one another, grow your inner circle of friends, of entrepreneurs, of your support system, and of course, to come out and meet your mentors in person. I think it's really awesome, Stan, that you're going to be there, and we're going to have the opportunity to meet you. You're coming all the way from Chicago.
Yes,
Oh,
I'm excited to meet you guys. Carolyn, I've seen your videos and I'm very happy. You were the first person I saw, and I was introduced to Dave. And I'm happy to meet you guys. I've not met you, but I just feel I trust you guys a lot based on the content, the genuineness y'all,
thank you.
have. So even though I've not met you guys, I would encourage everyone who is, skeptical to be there. It's worth meeting these people. So definitely, I'm excited to be there.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And I want to just say thank you to Dave. I took a chance one day sending Dave a message on social media. I kind of like pressured him to be my friend, and now he's like my bestie, and I'm so grateful for him. I'm so grateful for him getting onto YouTube and creating content. And even more, I'm so grateful for him to be hosting this in-person seminar, in his home city. And like Stan said, first, Stan, I want to say thank you so much because we do put this content out to help people. But I love that he hasn't met us yet, but like he said, he does have that trust in us. And I appreciate that because we are very genuine and we do want to help people from the bottom of our hearts. But it's an investment, right? He's flying over here from Chicago. He's paying for the 1 day event. He has to pay for his hotel. But this investment is going to be a business investment. He can write this off. And more importantly, all the information that he's going to be able to take home and implement in his business. And of course, like I said, the even bigger bonus is of networking with other cleaning business owners. We have people coming from Texas. We have people coming from Canada, Chicago. I mean, the list is growing and growing. And that's really an opportunity for everyone to kind of get to know each other, exchange numbers and create peer groups, because that's something that I think is really important. Anytime that I have an issue, I can come to Dave, or I can sit down with 3 or 4 of my friends and we can tackle this kind of issues together.
Yeah, but anyways, we are so excited to have this event. Me and Carolyn have been planning it for a while now. And like I said, I'm still getting DMs, I'm still getting questions in regards to the event, and I promise I am going to get back to you. I just have not had the chance to sit down and go through them. But I do know that Carolyn does have the tickets in her bio for the event. And Carolyn, after this, I actually need to get with you to add that to my bio.
Of course. And we'll definitely be putting all the information too in the description of this YouTube video. But if you guys are ready to kick some ass for 2025, if you're tired of playing games with your cleaning business, if you're tired of running, the same operations and doing the same things over and over again and not achieving the results that you're looking for, then this event is going to be for you. This event is going to be in English. It is going to be in Cockeysville, Maryland, March 16, 2025. Tickets are limited, so make sure you guys come out. Stan, I'm so excited. Thank you for taking this call all the way from India, and thank you for coming to visit us all the way from Chicago. I'm sure we're going to be able to grab some coffee before the event and like get to know each other. So I'm excited to see you in March.
Same here. Thank you so much. Same here.
Thank you guys. Again, if you want to
Bye,
learn more
Stan.
about how to grow your commercial cleaning business, make sure to grab your tickets to our event, and we will see you guys there on March 16th in Cockeysville, Maryland. Thank you guys. Be sure to hit like and subscribe.